Welcome to my channel Beat the Math. I am Pavitra Monaik. Today I need to discuss about some problem of inverse trigonometric function. If you are new in this channel, please like, share and subscribe so that you can get the notification whenever I will upload a video. The question is given, fill in the blanks choosing correct answer from the bracket. If a is equal to tan inverse x, then the value of sin 2a is equal to dash. Here given 2a by 1 minus x square, 2x by 1 minus x square, 2x by root over 1 minus x square, 2x by 1 plus x square. You see, in this question, a is equal to tan inverse x given, that is x is equal to tan a. Okay, here sin 2a, we have to find sin 2a. You know the formula sin 2a is equal to, if you express sin 2a in term of tan a, that is 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. You see, 2 tan a is equal to how much? X. 1 plus tan a square, that is x square. So this option is the correct option. Okay, pause the video, note it down. You see the next question. The question is given, if the value of sin inverse x is equal to pi by 5 for some x belongs to -1 to 1, then the value of cos inverse x is dash. In option given 3 pi by 10, 5 pi by 10, 7 pi by 10. You see, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. This is your known formula. Okay, here given how much? Sin inverse x is equal to, given sin inverse x is equal to pi by 5. We have to find cos inverse x. Cos inverse x, from this cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. Okay, sin inverse x is equal to pi by 5. This is pi by 2 minus pi by 5. LCM is equal to 10. This is 5 pi minus this is 2 pi is equal to 3 pi by 10. Okay, so this is your answer, 3 pi by 10. Pause the video, note it down. You see, another question is given, the value of tan inverse 2 cos pi by 3 is dash. Okay, tan inverse 2 cos pi by 3. You know that tan inverse 2 cos pi by 3, pi by 3, that is 60 degree, that is cos pi by 3 is equal to half. Okay, cos pi by 3 is equal to how much? Half. Okay, so 2 will cancel out, is equal to tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 is equal to how much? Pi by 4. So this option is correct. Okay, pause the video, note it down. You see the next problem. If x plus y is equal to 4, xy is equal to 1, then tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to dash. In option 3 pi by 4, pi by 4, pi by 2, 3 pi by 4, pi by 4, pi by 2 given. You see, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to, what is the formula? That is tan inverse x plus y divided 1 minus xy. Here x plus y is equal to how much given? 4 given. So tan inverse, this is x plus y is equal to 4, 1 minus xy is equal to how much given? 1 given. That is 1 minus 1, that is tan inverse 4 by 0. 4 by 0 is equal to how much? Constant by 0, that is infinite. So tan inverse infinite. Tan inverse infinite is equal to how much? Pi by 2. So this option is correct. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question. The value of cot inverse 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 3 is equal to dash. In option given pi by 4, 1, pi by 2. You see, cot inverse 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 3 is equal to you see cot inverse. I can express it in tan inverse, that is tan inverse half plus tan inverse 1 by 3. Okay, this is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. You know the formula, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. This is the formula I can apply here. Okay, so this is equal to tan inverse half plus 1/3 by 1 minus half into 1/3. Okay, is equal to tan inverse, this is how much, 6, this is 3 plus 2 divide 6 minus 1 by 6. Okay, is equal to tan inverse 5 by 6 by 5 by 6. Okay, these two will cancel out, is equal to tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 is equal to pi by 4. So the answer is pi by 4. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question. The principal value of sine inverse sine 2 pi by 3 is dash 2 pi by 3, pi by 3, 4 pi by 3. You see principal value. What is principal value? Sine x. Suppose sine inverse x given. Okay, if the value lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, if the value of sine inverse x lies in minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, here you see x lies between minus pi by 2 pi by 2, the value is called as principal value, otherwise the value is called the general value. You see here the question is given principal value, so you see sine inverse sine 2 pi by 3 is equal to sine inverse sine 2 pi by 3. I can write pi minus pi by 3. Okay, pi, you see pi minus pi by 3, 3 pi minus pi, that is 2 pi by 3 is equal to sine inverse will cancel out, that is sine pi minus 3 is equal to how much? Sine pi minus 3. Pi minus 3 lies in second quadrant, that is second quadrant sine function is positive, so this is sine pi by 3 is equal to pi by 3. Therefore the correct option is pi by 3. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question. If sine inverse x by 5 plus cosec inverse 5 by 4 is equal to pi by 2, then the value of x is equal to dash 2, 3, 4 given. You see sine inverse x by 5 plus cosec inverse 5 by 4 is equal to pi by 2. Okay, sine inverse x by 5 sine inverse x by 5 plus cosec inverse I can express in sine inverse 1 by x, that is 4 by 5 is equal to pi by 2. This is equal to how much? Sine inverse x by 5 plus sine inverse x can be expressed into cos inverse x. Sine inverse x is equal to cos inverse root over 1 minus x square. This formula we can apply here. This is equal to cos inverse root over 1 minus 4 by 5 whole square, okay, is equal to pi by 2, implies sine inverse x by 5 plus cos inverse, this is equal to 25 minus 16 by 25 root, that is 9 by 25 root, 9 by 25 root, that is 3 by 5 is equal to pi by 2. You compare this with sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. You see here x given sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Here also x by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. Okay, these two should be equal, otherwise you cannot get pi by 2, that is x is equal to 3. So the correct answer is how much? X is equal to 3. This is your correct answer. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question, the value of sin tan inverse x plus tan inverse 1 by x greater than 0 is equal to dash. Option is given 0, 1, half. You see sin tan inverse x plus tan inverse 1 by x is equal to sin tan inverse x plus, I can write in cot inverse, this is cot inverse x. Okay, tan inverse x is equal to cot inverse 1 by x, that is 1 by 1 by x. This will go to numerator, that is, so tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to how much? Pi by 2. You know the formula, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Okay, so sin pi by 2, sin 90 is equal to how much? 1. The correct option is 1. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question, cot inverse root over 1 minus sin x plus root over 1 plus sin x by root over 1 minus sin x minus root over 1 plus sin x is equal to dash 2 pi minus x by 2, pi minus x by 2. You see root over 1 minus sin x, I can write it sin x by 2, sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Okay, root over 1 is equal to, I have written sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2. This is equal to cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. Again root 2 and root, this will cancel out. This is cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Similarly, root over 1 plus sin x, I can write sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 root over, this is a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square root over 2 and root, this will cancel out. This is equal to cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. I can use these two here. Okay, so this is equal to cot inverse root over 1 minus sin x. 1 minus sin x is equal to cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Okay, plus sin x by 2 cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 divide cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Okay, is equal to how much? Cot inverse, you see minus sin x by 2 plus sin x by 2, these two will cancel out. This is 2 cos x by 2 by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 minus, you see this is minus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Okay, minus cos x by 2 plus cos x by 2, these two will cancel out is equal to cot inverse 2 cos x by 2 divide, you see minus sin x by 2, again minus sin x by 2, that is minus 2 sin x by 2, 2 will cancel out, okay, is equal to cot inverse cot x by 2 minus cot x by 2 is equal to cot inverse minus cot x by 2 is equal to cot inverse, I can write as cot pi minus x by 2, pi minus x by 2. You see cot pi minus theta that lies in second quadrant. Second quadrant means minus will come, okay, minus cot pi by x by 2, okay, these two will cancel out, this is equal to pi minus x by 2. So the correct option is this, pi minus x by 2. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question, fill in the blanks choosing correct answer from the bracket. The question is given 2 sin inverse 4 by 5 minus sin 24 by 25 is equal to dash. You see in your book here plus sign is given, but the answer, the question is not correct, you have to put minus sign there. Option is given pi minus pi 0. You see 2 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse 2x root over 1 minus x square, okay, here 2 sin inverse 4 by 5 given minus sin 24 by 25 is given, this is sin inverse 2 into x, x is equal to 4 by 5, okay, root over 1 minus 4 by 5 whole square minus sin 24 sin inverse 24 by 25, okay, this is equal to sin inverse, this is 8 by 5 root over, you see this is 25 minus 16 by 25 root over, this is 9 by 25 root 9 by 25, this is 3 by 5, so directly I can write 3 by 5, this is 3 by 5, okay, minus sin inverse 24 by 25, okay, is equal to, you see this is sin inverse 24 by 25 minus sin inverse 24 by 25, okay, this is plus 24 by 25, this is minus 24 by 25, these two will cancel out, is equal to how much, 0. So the correct option is 0. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question, if theta is equal to cos inverse x plus sin inverse x minus tan inverse x, x greater than or equal to 0, then the smallest interval in which theta lies is dash. In option given pi by 2, 3 by 4, 0, close bracket 0, pi by 2, open bracket 0, close bracket pi by 2, okay. So you see theta is equal to cos inverse x plus sin inverse x minus tan inverse x, and condition given x greater than 0, that means theta is equal to, you know the formula, cos inverse x plus sin inverse x, that is pi by 2 minus tan inverse x, okay, theta is equal to pi by 2 minus tan inverse x, how much, you know the formula, cot inverse x plus tan inverse x is equal to pi by 2, you see cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus tan inverse x, Okay, you use this pi by 2 minus tan inverse x is equal to cot inverse x. This is cot inverse x. Theta is equal to cot inverse x. X is equal to cot theta. Okay, question is given x greater than or equal to 0. And that means cot theta is positive in first quadrant. First quadrant means how much? 0 to pi by 2. Okay, so the correct option is 0 to pi by 2. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question is sec square tan inverse 2 plus cosec. This is cosec square. Okay, cot inverse 3. Okay, the question is sec square tan inverse 2 plus cosec square cot inverse 3 is equal to given is equal to how much? 16, 14, 15. You see, this is sec square tan inverse 2. I can express it in sec inverse. This is sec inverse 1 plus x square root over. Okay, you see tan inverse x is equal to sec inverse 1 plus x square root over. Okay, plus 1 plus x square, x is equal to 2 given, that is 2 square, This is cosec square cot inverse 3. I can express it in tan inverse. So this become tan inverse 1 by 3 is equal to sec inverse. This is into 4 plus 1 root 5. Okay, whole square plus cosec. This you express in cosec inverse. This is cosec inverse root over 1 plus x square by x. That is 1 plus x square is equal to how much? 1 plus 1 by 3 whole square root over by 1 by 3. This is equal to 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 root 10 by 3 by 1 by 3. Okay, is equal to root over 1 plus 1 by 3 whole square by 1 by 3. Okay, is equal to, you see, sec inverse will cancel out, root 5 square. This is 5 plus cosec square cosec inverse. This is equal to how much? Root 10 by 3 1 by 3. 3 will cancel out. This is equal to cosec root 10. Okay, then this is equal to 5 plus cosec inverse root 10. Okay, square is equal to 5. These two will cancel out, cosec and cosec inverse, root 10 square, that is 10, is equal to 15. So the correct option is 15. Okay, pause the video, note it down.